Welcome back to 1111 Overland. I'm Jeremy.
I'm Jeremy's sometimes friend.
Ouch. We are in my garage today with John's JL Wrangler Unlimited, and we are going to be removing the old rock rails and putting on new ones. John, why are we removing the old rock rails?
They weren't as rock friendly as I thought they would be. I lost a lot of clearance and they really didn't hold up to sliding at all. So as you can see here, one trip, just lots and lots and lots of damage. The company advertised them as rock sliders / steps, and they really didn't fit the function of it. So the company was great about it. They helped me work out a deal on a new set that are more rock friendly.
Yeah, that's got some serious bends in it.
Yeah.
Oh, this side is even worse. Look at that dent.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you tried to do the Rubicon Trail in these, you would come off the trail and be like, okay, I did the trail. And then you'd look and be like, where'd my side steps go? They'd be like totally destroyed and completely gone.
I did one trip in those rock rails.
Where'd you go?
What's that?
Where was the trip? Was it St. George?
Sand Hollow.
Sand Hollow. These are DV8.
Yep.
And then what are the new ones you got?
DV8.
Also DV8. So you got a heavier dutier version?
They're not as much steps, and they'll be up here and they'll angle up here. So it'll be more of a true rock rail.
All right. Well, let's get them off. All right, so the old rock rail came off really easy with, what, 5 bolts, the body mount bolt in the front, and then 4 small ones in the back. Dropped it down, pulled it out, and now we're revealing the new side steps. That's the sound that makes when something gets revealed. All right, so this should be relatively straightforward.
Yeah, so this will be the rock slider part down here.
Mm-hmm.
This one will just come up a bit and
It'll
protect
just come up on the side.
your body a bit.
Yeah, looks good. I feel like that's wrong.
I think it's fine.
All right. Okay. This slides in first,
It
right?
kind of slides in, yeah. Is that right? I can't tell. Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm below it. Wait, does it go below it?
I think it goes above it. I think you have to kind of go up and over it. So maybe you already got some engagement
So
here.
they just go in exactly the way the last ones came off. So that's a really simple swap.
You want to hand me the socket? Would you? Just the extension. I'm just going to hand do them for now.
Okay.
You know what? We should probably put some Loctite on them. What do you think?
Yep, good call. Getting a little generous there.
Well,
You're never gonna get those bolts off ever.
you want to come push this up just a tiny bit?
Yeah.
Needs to go back a little bit. Oh, right there. Actually, kind of slid in. A little bit of pressure on the whole thing.
Okay.
I need you to put a little bit of pressure on it. Like you could do the jack probably up a little bit. Oh, okay, that works right there. Perfect.
So one thing to check when you're doing new rock rails, you want to make sure that the space here is even. Looks pretty good. Do you want to get out a measuring stick and be precise? See what you did right there made this side hang out a little bit more. And then again, they're not tightened all the way, but you want to try and get them lined up nicely before tightening it all the way down.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing a rough check of it. I actually really like that.
Yeah, I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
I like how you didn't deviate from the brand you used before.
No, I'm pretty loyal. And like I said, They were really good about making me a deal to swap them out, so I was very happy with
You
that.
didn't deviate from the brand?
No, I'm loyal.
Either he didn't get it or he just doesn't want to play along. So.
Where's your measure?
Yeah, it's a great set.
How
tight do you want to go?
Give it a good once over, and then yeah, that'll work because that one's not super. I like that. What do you think?
I really like it. So the question will be, open the door and climb it in. It's basically not a step at all.
It's a bit of a step, but it's only like an inch lower than the door.
Yeah,
So it's really not a step.
But maybe they could like hook their little toes into there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then slip out and go.
Yep. Yep, exactly. Smack. So we're gonna do the other side, but it's basically the same as what we just had a moment ago, so it's really no difference.
5 bolts, 10 minutes.
5 bolts, 10 minutes, really easy. So thanks for watching. This has been and continues to be 1111 Overland. I'm Jeremy. This is John. See ya.
Still work the steps, but they're only like an inch shorter than the door sill.